First at 4, the Animal Foundation giving us an update saying there are now 6 confirmed canine flu cases in the shelter. That's up 4 from yesterday, with the number of symptomatic dogs staying even at 100. This comes as 23 dogs were fostered yesterday as the shelter put out an urgent call for fostering to help stop the spread of the disease in the building. And it comes as we are learning the shelter has taken in 900 animals in total just this month. And a few hoarding cases have contributed to that number.
And Fox 5's Shauna Kalafi has more on those cases with video that you will only see on Fox 5 of more than 30 dogs rescued from North Las Vegas.
We've had a big influx of animals, unusual for this time of year.
When Fox 5 learned that the Animal Foundation has taken in more than 900 animals in the last 2 weeks alone, we asked why that is, and they say 2 hoarding cases are partially to blame.
One case was about 36 dogs that came in all from the same source and all at once, so that's a lot of processing to do. And then we had a 100 cat hoarding case come from one house last week too.
The shelter shared this video exclusively with Fox 5 showing those dogs after they were confiscated by North Las Vegas Animal Protection Services on February 2nd. And then last week, about 100 cats were brought in from a hoarding case that was handled by Clark County.
Sometimes animals that come in really rough condition, that have been neglected, that may have imminent medical needs. And so, our veterinary team is taking care of those things. It really is heartbreaking when you see cruelty cases, neglect cases come in, but it also galvanizes the staff to help. Even
with daily adoptions, fosters, and transfers to other shelters, the Animal Foundation says it's still hard to keep those numbers in balance.
In January, I want to say that we adopted out close to 800 animals, but when you think about how quickly, that tide can turn when we have more animals that are coming in, when you have these hoarding cases and severe things.
The high intake numbers combined with a recent canine influenza outbreak has shelter staff scrambling to get dogs out of the building and into foster homes to make room for isolation and even more animals coming in. Shauna Kalafi, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.
North Las Vegas police tell Fox 5 that in the recent hoarding case, an elderly man was taken to the hospital and said that he wanted to surrender 37 dogs to the animal control. The owner is potentially facing misdemeanor criminal charges of animal hoarding. We've reached out to the Clark County Animal Protective Services about the other hoarding case as well and are waiting to hear back.